How to get money back from Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can request a refund on Temu. The first thing you want to do is open the Temu app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the U icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you get here, you want to tap on the Your Orders option. Now on the All Orders tab, you're going to find all of your orders. Now you want to find the relevant order, then tap on the return/refund button. Now you want to select the items you would like to return and the reason for return. Depending on the reason you selected, you will be required to provide further information related to the order. After you provide the required information, tap on the next step button to proceed. If there is no need to return your item, then your final step is simply to select your refund method. You may choose to receive your refund as Temu credit balance or be credited back via your original payment method. Make your selection and click on the Submit option. If you need to return your item, you will have the option to choose your return and refund method. After you submit the request, Temu will provide you with a return label so that you can return the item. Now, you can check the refund status of your item on the order details page or through Temu's SMS, email, or push notifications. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.